Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to a new episode of VET portfolio sharing. Please check out my live dashboards that I am running for BTC and VEchain tokens bought and sold because many things depends on the volume trading. Because if somebody is buying 1,000 BTC, then because of the covariance between BET and BTC, the VET value also pumps up and BTC value as well. But suddenly, there is a fire buy and a fire selling occurs. So we have to be very much careful with that. If people are invested in future trading, then if they have a 20x put or a buy call, then a call or a put, then they can use these dashboards for their advantage. The video is sponsored by my two apps, that is Motobik and Trap. Motobik deals with license A theory exam content, and Trap deals with auto theory exam or car theory exam contents. And here I have many videos about the concepts to clear the exam in one go without any money for now. People can take advantage of it. Okay, before sharing my uh, okay, let me share my portfolio. My portfolio last time when we saw the video, it was around 70,500 tokens. But now, again, I have taken a risk and I have sold. There is a reason why I sold. We will discuss about that. And given a buy order at 72,000 tokens for less price and for same amount of money. I am increasing my corpus. So more number of tokens, then more is the accelerated growth or accelerated pace towards the break even. And my target is around 100,000 tokens I want to collect or accumulate. So let's see if I am able to do it or not. But I am, yeah, these are risky moves because suddenly the market can move upwards. But yeah, I don't know about that. But coming to the news that I are based on some news only, I took the decision. And the news is that uh, in Russia, yeah, they have declared that they are going to ban on cryptocurrency payments. Also, they are putting a lot of rules and regulations on cryptocurrency exchanges. Even they are also monitoring very sharply on the amount of investment that's happening in cryptocurrency. Let's go into the details. And Mr. Putin is very much careful into that because of the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. Many of the Russians are also supporting the Ukraine warriors by paying through Bitcoin or paying through other currencies. And though Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency world is a decentralized market, it's very difficult to track and trace. So traceability is a little bit difficult there, but it's not impossible. Okay. Bank in January, the Bank of Russia proposed an outright ban on crypto for payments or investments. It was in the month of January only. Today's law doesn't go quite that far. In February, Russia's finance ministry submitted a draft of cryptocurrency regulations to the government, which, like the law enacted today, allows for investing in digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but not using them to buy things. Okay, so the ban comes like this: people cannot use the cryptocurrency for other purchases, but only they can invest in the token or currency only. That's it. It is prohibited to transfer or accept digital financial assets because of thousands of reasons. Please look into the details and you will know many facts or many astonishing facts why they are doing this. As a consideration for transferred goods, performed works, rendered services, as well as in any other way that allows one to assume payment of goods, works, or services by a digital financial asset. Also, last month, I guess, yeah, last month in US there was a new law that was drafted and I think debated, then almost in the verge of approval also, that cryptocurrencies are now defined in US as a ancillary asset. So there are thousands of definitions. Many countries, cryptocurrencies are defined as a digital asset, like a financial tool, because each financial tool has its own set of rules and regulations. For example, a tangible asset has its own rules and regulations, a security has its own rules and regulations, a commodity has its own rules and regulations, and tax bracket also. So they have defined cryptocurrency in US as an ancillary asset, which means that it is not a primary asset, or the way the people comprehended earlier that cryptocurrencies will dominate the world and yeah, it's going to make everything decentralized. It will reduce the power of the banks, etc., etc. But with this bill, there is a little bit of skepticism introduced in the market, and people are now more bearish because of the fact that cryptocurrency are regarded as an ancillary asset, not a primary asset. So USD will be the primary asset, and other things will be like other things only. This is also a clear indication that cryptocurrency has no value at all or no purchasing power at all. So many of the countries are now becoming more stringent towards the cryptocurrency or the blockchain market. Although the application is quite, or the application projects are quite taking pace, but regarding this buying or exchanging concepts, or using cryptocurrency to buy some other things, yeah, those concepts are taking a setback because people don't want their federal currencies to lose its value or lose its power. Even Putin is also in the process of or in the roadmap of strengthening the rubles. So that's why they don't want now, at least for 2 3 years or 4 5 years, that cryptocurrency should have any effect in that road map. With that being said, cryptocurrency has been showing a bearish market, and based on that concept only, I gave a sell order, and I believe the market will plummet more, and I'm going to take advantage of it as much as possible. Uh, I also wanted to share about some other things regarding the future market also, and there is a lot of skepticism. People are skeptical about that also, and in the month of July, there is the Federal Reserve is also going to increase the basis points, and because the inflation is now more than 9% in US, so it's a scary moment, and the chances of going, or the market going into recession is highly likely now. And yeah, so people are now very cautious in their investments, and they want to have more liquidity so that they won't fall into the trap of debt and many things. Many cryptocurrency exchanges are also filing for bankruptcy, like Celsius and many other cryptocurrencies. So be very careful, guys, and save your tokens, save your life on monies, invest in chunks. Don't go all in. Don't put everything in the market for now. Have patience. Each 15 days or 20 days, invest in small chunks, like I do also. Before, I think few days before only, I invested some amount of money to get to the mark of 70,000 tokens. Sorry for the delay here. Okay, this is my portfolio, and this is where I stand. Sorry for the delay, guys, but it's okay. So I have sold and given a buy order. Okay, that's for it now. With that being said, have a nice day, guys, and peace. We'll see each other in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Please show your support. And if you are using Bitfavo, then please refer to my referral link that I have shared in the description box below. Okay, we'll see each other in the next video. Till then, ciao and goodbye.